Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's having an amazing day today. As you read by the title, we are going to be unboxing our Macy's Beauty Box for November 2020. Now I know that last month I was particularly upset for this box when it came back available and no emails were sent out. I was just basically charged and sent a box. It was also the first collab with Macy's and Jo Malone. So all in all, I did enjoy my box. I am still using the little perfumes that came in there. The candle was amazing. So let's go ahead and see what's in this box. Now this is a $15 a month box plus tax. I roughly pay about $16.27 a month for this. I did pre-open it because y'all know I have a horrible time opening this box. But let's go ahead and see what's in here. When you open it, these boxes fall apart. They are the weirdest boxes that I get to date. It's pretty cool, but at the same time, it's totally weird. So there is our empty box. Everything usually comes wrapped up in pink tissue paper. There's something there. We got an oops. We had to substitute one of the samples in your box. Sorry about that. But don't worry, we're pretty sure you'll love what we sent instead. So, obviously something that was supposed to be in here didn't make it in here. I do like it when they let you know that. You're expecting certain things and then they don't show up. It's kind of a bummer. Open, have fun, repeat. Monthly beauty box fix is here. We've chosen the top brands and essential items the beauty obsessed can't live without. Try them now, love them forever. Plus check out how-to videos, full-size versions of your faves and more at macys.com/beautybox. So there is what the front of our pamphlet looks like this month. With this box, you do get a $5 or $10 off coupon every month. This is the only thing I buy from Macy's. Majority of the time, sometimes I buy a perfume, but lately that's neither near or there. Things are getting pretty tight in the world, so. But here are the samples of the items that we received. Let's go ahead and open up some of these things. So let's open this little thing first. I don't really know what that is. And it is not on there, so maybe this is the item that was sent in place. I don't know. But we're going to open it up and see all the same. Oh, it's a little bag. Okay, so it's like a little grocery shopping bag. It is the scratchy material, but it's still super cute. I will definitely be taking that to the grocery store when I have to go. I do like to use reusable bags. It does save on the environment. So there is our first thing. The next thing is from Strivectin. And I'm not seeing that on there either. Okay, I'm not seeing it on here either. New Reset Your Skin, dramatic results without dramatic intervention. Experience a 4-day tryout of this first of its kind system. Skin Reset 4-week intensive rejuvenating system. So we have a rebuild, a boost, a balance, and a restore in here. So 4-day system reset when prepping for a big event, hormonal fluctuations, seasonal changes, fatigued, dull, and lifeless skin. considering an in-office skincare treatment or procedure, and you simply want your skin to look its healthy, glowing best. I do like Strivectin. I have used their products before, so I will definitely be trying this out. It says at the end of 4 weeks, you'll see hydrated, glowing skin, fewer fine lines, reduced deep wrinkles, plumper, softer skin, improved elasticity, youthful clarity, and increased firmness. So I can assure you that there is not enough for 4 weeks, but I will definitely give it a try. So let's go ahead and open our little pink rolly items of goodies and see what is in here. And see if anything is on this pamphlet, because I'm kind of looking a little crazy right now. Alright, so the first thing I see is from PYT Beauty. And this is a plumping gloss. It is super, super tiny. It's actually pretty cute. This is a fun-filled plumping lip gloss. Get fuller looking lips while keeping it natural, free of parabens, silicone, and phosphates, and full of sunflower seed and avocado oil. It retails for $15 for a full size. Pro tip, the perfect amount of shine. All you need is one swipe of gloss. So let's go ahead and try it on. Why not? I can definitely already smell the peppermint, mint, tingle, whatever is in plumping glosses. I do already smell that. So, a gloss that was actually on our pamphlet. Super excited about that. The next thing is from Dermablend, and it is leaking everywhere. This is the loose setting powder. Totally translucent. This powder works with any and every shade of foundation and it will lock your look in place. Although it says it will look your look in place. The full size is $29. Swipe a small amount onto your T-zone to tone down any shine. Now, I have used this. I will say it is a very white powder. It does brush away. It is closed, although as you can see, I do have powder all over my lid. Doesn't matter. I have tried this powder before. I do like it. I have used it. So there is 2 items. The next thing is from Jean Paul. Le Mail. It is a perfume sample. This is inspired by Goulter's childhood days spent in the sun. You'll love this nautical blend of oceanic accord, vanilla, and ambergris. Ambergris. Amber something. Y'all know I can't read. The full price of this is $94. I do want to know if it's a female or male scent. As you can see already, some of it is out. I do like samples. It gives you a chance to try out perfumes before you dish out all the money that perfumes cost. They are not cheap. But that smells all right. It smells very clean. I do get the water aspect of the ocean smell. So, I don't know if I would put it on me, but I will definitely give it to my husband. The next one is Angle Muggler perfume also. This is what it looks like. A sunny vacation in a bottle. You'll instantly feel like you're on a tropical vacation thanks to magnolia and patchouli notes. This retails for $84 full size. Now this one will probably be more of my jam. Those are my scents. Again, you can see how much is exactly in there. But let's spray this one and see what it's like. Oh, that's super nice. That smells so good. I like that. I like that a lot. Wonder if I like it $84 worth. But I am all about getting sample perfumes. Like I said, it gives me a way to try them. The next thing is a tan towel. Look Good Naked self-tanning towelette. Fair to medium skin tones. This is in classic. It is one towelette. And that is what it looks like. Looking for a faux glow and get you through winter. This towel gives a streak-free, sun-kissed look, minus the UV rays and messy tanning booths. $24 for the full size. One sheet covers arms and legs. Color will start to develop in 2 to 4 hours and will continue for up to 24 hours. So arms and legs isn't a whole lot of area when you're trying to fake bake. If it covers that much, you should be able to do both arms, your chest, and your face. I don't know if these are good for your face. I will have to look into that, but this year in 2020, I don't see why anybody's doing anything from like the neck down. I mean, I don't know about y'all, but sweatpants and hoodies have become a great wardrobe accommodation in my house. The next thing is from SK2. That is what it looks like. This is a RNA Power Radical Age Cream. That doesn't look like a cream to me. It says, feel great going makeup free thanks to this firming and glow making wonders of this cult classic. Made with their signature Patira. This cream will give you younger looking skin. Retails for $235 full price. Pro tip, use AM and PM for extra hydration, especially when facing the cold winter elements. $235 for this, and this is not a cream. This is not what I think of when I think of a cream. It feels like water. I don't have any smell from it, but that is what that is. So there is that. And the next thing is from Jockey. This is new True Fit Promise. Leave it to great fitting lingerie for a boost of confidence. And these super stretchy bikini cut panties. We got panties in the box, guys. Are the perfect place to start. Fits dress sizes 4 through 14. Retails for $11.50 each or 3 for $30. So we got some drawers in our box. That's super weird. Do y'all get this box? Did you get panties in your box? I will say that they're very light. Very airy. But there's what they look like. I will not be doing a try on with these on camera. But you can dang sure bet I'm going to be having a panty dancing party, because t-shirts and panty dancing parties are the thing. Or at least they're a thing for me. If you haven't done it, I suggest trying it. Take 10 minutes, drop your drawers, get in your panties and your t-shirt and dance. Put your headphones on, put your music up, and take a minute for yourself. You'll thank me later. But I do have some new panties to try out. They are super soft feeling. Okay, enough with the drawers. That's a new experience in a box, I can assure you. So the thing that weren't in here was the 3 in a New 24-hour pen eyeliner from 3NA. It's a waterproof, long wear eyeliner that retailed for $14.50. The next thing that was not in here was the Anthony No Sweat Body Defense. Designed for men, but borrowed by women. Cream helps against chafing. With tapioca, starch, aloe vera, and vitamin E, which would have retailed for $20 full size. So, all in all, I'm not going to complain. I got a lip gloss. I got a powder. I got 2 perfumes. Got some panties. I got this cream that looks more like an essence or a serum. I don't know. Okay. We got the Strivectin 4-week sample thing, our tanning towel, and our little bag for $15 to try out. Some samples that I hadn't gotten, haven't used, not tried, I've not tried, just learned about, have not tried, had not tried. I have used PYT, stands for Pretty Young Thing, cosmetics, but I have never tried this one. I have tried the Dermablend and the panties. So, all in all, I did enjoy my box for $15. I'm okay with it. We also got that little bag. I wasn't as excited about this box as I was last month's box. Even though I didn't want last month's box, I still enjoyed the smells, the candle, the perfume that was in there. I enjoyed that. Not to say that I'm not going to enjoy this stuff. I just wasn't my favorite. So, we will see what happens next month. Do comment down below. Let me know if you get this box. Let me know your thoughts on it. Did you get some panties too? I'm nosy and I'd like to know. So, comment down there and we'll chat about it. If you're new here, hi, I'm Becca. Thank you for checking out the video. Greatly appreciate it. Please do hit that subscribe button before you leave. It does help the channel out. I would greatly appreciate it. Do give me a like or give me a dislike. Either way, I would greatly appreciate that too. And until next time, guys, I love you. Bye.